back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I am back with a hair tutorial on how to get a blowout with short hair. As you all know, I recently cut my hair. I think it's been about 2 months and I'm still trying to get used to my new hairstyle. It is a little bit hard. I thought it would be much easier now that my hair is very short, but it's a little bit harder. I'm going to show you how to get more volume and also how to make that hairstyle stand out. So before we get started, I wanted to remind you that I have my new blog. Make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you subscribe to it. It's FABIOLAGBeauty.com. I'll leave you guys all that info down there below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell so that way you get notified when I upload new videos. That being said, let's move on to the tutorial.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities.
I will be using for my hair tutorial is the BLOWPRO Pink Edition. This is a professional salon hair dryer, and this was actually sent out to me from Octoly and BLOWPRO for me to try out. I absolutely love this hair dryer, you guys. It is beautiful and it's built with the latest and greatest technology. This BLOWPRO Professional Titanium Blow Dryer cuts down on drying time because it has titanium plates. It also has 6 LED lights that clean the inside of the dryer, blowing out clean air and promoting a healthier scalp. It also has a removable nozzle with 3 speeds and 3 temperatures. This will definitely give you the perfect blowout. I like to begin when my hair is still a little bit wet, and I'm going to go ahead and brush it, making sure that there's no knots, since this will make it so much easier when we're drying our hair. Next, I'm going to separate it in 4 different sections, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, using this round brush, I'm going to begin by drying the bottom part of my hair, and I'm going to make sure that I also lift it up a little bit so that I can also dry the root of the hair to give it a little bit more volume. I really love that this hair dryer has this nozzle part. It makes drying so much easier, especially when you have short hair. So next, we're going to take down the next top part of the hair, and I'm going to focus on drying the roots of the hair, especially underneath, because I do want to get that volume. I don't want my hair just to look like super flat. Also, when you're drying your hair and you're rolling the brush, you want to make sure that you're rolling it inward, so that way you get this like nice look that your hair is kind of inward instead of like sticking out. And I'm just going to continue doing this on both sides until everything is nice and dry. To set this hairstyle and to finalize it, I'm going to be using the BLOWPRO Hairspray. This hairspray doesn't weigh your hair down and it doesn't feel sticky either. It just gives you like this amazing volume and it smells so good. I'm going to take this back part of my hair to lift it up a little bit. I sprayed it and then I'm going to just blow dry it a little bit to get this really nice volume. And then all you have to do is just fix all the frizzy hairs if you have any. But I absolutely love these 2 products. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.